Hey guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you guys have stopped by. And if you're coming back and an existing subscriber, well, welcome again. I am so glad you guys are coming back. Today, I'm going to start off in the kitchen, and I'm just going to start right with my dishes because I feel like if I get my dishes done, it kind of snowballs me into getting other stuff done. And let's face it, if you don't have a dishwasher, which I don't, dishes are always a struggle. I don't really use paper or plastic, so it's just a constant buildup of dishes in this sink. So let's get started right here. So I don't know about where you guys are, but right now we've been having some really hot days. Not only hot, but humid. Like, I could take the heat. I actually love the warmer weather. But when you start throwing the humidity in the mix, man, it gets really rough. And that's why you're saying, like, if you notice right behind me there, you'll see like my living room, and it's really dark because I have everything pulled closed, like all of the blinds, all of the curtains, just trying to keep it a little cooler in the house so that my air conditioner is not running constantly. So let me know in the comment section down below, what kind of weather are you guys seeing right now? Like I said, for us, I'm in Pennsylvania, it is really hot. Like right now, actually, as I'm doing this voiceover, it's going to be like 97 today, and I believe they're calling for a heat index of like 101 to 105. So really hot, really humid, really disgusting.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
You're gonna see here, man, there was a lot of dishes. I had to take a break and just step back for a second. I've been having some back pain, and I know it's because I did a deep clean of my bathroom, and I did get this new scrubber for it to see if it would be a little easier, and it was. However, a couple days before that, which is a video that's going to be coming up on my channel, the kids and I were doing a makeover of our backyard and patio area, and man, that thing was a mess. My daughter and my son did most of like the heavy stuff, like the pulling of the big weeds, and we were pulling up the old mulch and the old protective barrier to keep the weeds from coming up. But man, that was some rough work, and my back was feeling it for a couple days after that.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego. Your ego. You're underneath.
Do you ever have one of those moments when you realize what you just did was a huge mistake? I stuffed the sponge into my son's water bottle, and yeah, I'm gonna be working at this for a while to try and get it out, because I tried tweezers, they would just pull the sponge off, like bits of the sponge. I tried the scissors, which I'm like, all right, that's just gonna cut it, and I really couldn't open up the scissors in the water bottle. Finally, what worked is like a bar spoon, because it was long enough to get in there to get the back of the sponge so I could kind of force its way out. But yeah, as soon as I did this, I realized it was a huge mistake, and this probably took me a good, I'm gonna say about 3 to 5 minutes to get this sponge out of this. I will never do that again. Here I am with the bar spoon, and this was the only thing, and every time I thought I had it, it would like kind of squeeze back in there, but I was able to get it out this time. But yeah, huge mistake. Note to self, never put sponge into a water bottle that the mouthpiece is only the size of a regular bottle. Again, don't know what I was thinking.
Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. Yeah, we got the summer.
So a couple things are going on in here. One, I'm trying to make the kitchen work right now with the extra fridge that we have sitting in the corner here. If you look over to the right side of the screen, you'll see like a big blob there. That is our old fridge. It is sitting in the corner waiting for the recycle program in our area to come pick it up. However, it has to be running when they come and get it. And they were supposed to pick it up the Friday before 4th of July. So I'm doing the voiceover now. It's the 7th of July. So I hope you guys had an awesome July 4th weekend. We had some family over, so that's why I was trying to get everything cleaned up in the house so that we can have family over. But it's really difficult when you have this like huge 28-inch by 30 some inch space in the corner of your kitchen, and everything else is kind of pushed over to the side, because then we had to move the hutch so that the fridge would fit. It is just a big mess, but I'm noticing that I need to do another declutter of this kitchen. I did a massive declutter of the kitchen, which I'll put in the cards up above. You'll see like I'm kind of doing a decluttering of my life kind of thing. And I need to restart that again. And I think I'm going to start right from the beginning, because the first place that I started to declutter was in my bedroom, getting rid of shoes that I don't wear anymore, clothes that I wasn't wearing anymore. And I think I just need to do that all over again and kind of start right from the beginning and go do a second sweep of the entire house. So if you like content like that and you want to see what else I'm going to declutter, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the bell notification, because I think I'm actually going to start that next week. I have a few projects that I want to get done in the house before I start that again. But yeah, because I still need to get rid of stuff to make this small house. Like, this is a under 1,200 square foot house, and I just need to make it work better and like live easier kind of thing. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I just want everything to be just a little easier. Nobody loves me better. So the day that I was doing this cleaning of the kitchen, I was also cleaning my bathroom, which is a very small bathroom. And I'll link that card up above too, so that if you wanted to get some bathroom cleaning motivation, I'll have that listed as well. And I also in that video did a comparison. I compared the Barkeeper's Friend and the Bon Ami, because I get a rust stain in the bottom of my bathtub, and it worked really well. So if you want to see which one worked better on that rust stain, you can go check that video out too. But now I'm just going to clean off my grates for my stove. They kind of get, kind of dingy after cooking for a couple days on it, especially if you're making anything that splashes, like the fried foods and stuff like that. Although I'm trying to think, I did just recently do a purchase. I know I had spoke before about the fact that I had my slow cooker that I broke. I had for many years, and it finally, I shouldn't say it took a dump, I dumped it. I dropped it out of the closet when I was decluttering my closet, and needless to say, it served us well for as many years as it did, but I guess it was just time for it to go. So I did make a pretty nice purchase of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, like an all-in-one kind of thing. So if you'd like to see any kind of recipes that I'm going to be making from that, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll include some recipes. So far, I've made ribs in it, which turned out really good. I did a pulled pork barbecue sandwich, and I think tonight I'm going to do some air frying of chicken strips. So let me know if you'd like to see anything like that on my channel.
If I should fall, just go ahead, go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my tune, chew out, chew out. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. Turn it up on a higher level.
This is the first time I'm using this Method stainless steel cleaner. I've never used a stainless steel cleaner before, even though my microwave and my stove do have touches of stainless steel on them. This is the first time I'm using this, and I was a little skeptical at first. It was kind of smeary, so I wasn't sure exactly what I was doing. But if you guys have any suggestions on which stainless steel cleaners you guys go to, or ones that you really like, I would appreciate that, because this is the first time I'm doing this and I'm not quite sure. I mean, it did a good job, and it seems to help in decreasing any fingerprints after it, but it also feels kind of greasy, and I don't know if that's something that is normal with the stainless steel cleaner. So I guess just let me know in the comment sections down below, is that normal to have like a greasy feel to it? And do you have any suggestions of a stainless steel cleaner that you guys really like?
We got this. We got this. We got this.
guys, so we are coming to the end of this video. I hope you guys got some motivation out of it to maybe tackle a project today, whether it be your kitchen or, like I said, I'll leave some stuff down below for any kind of motivation that you need, bathroom, maybe just some decluttering. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that red subscribe button if you did, to see what other kind of mess I'm going to get myself into, which, like I said, is probably going to be a round 2 of decluttering. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.